If you're still sleeping on Notion, you're literally missing out one of the most powerful tools for organizing your life, work, and even your random late night ideas. And here's the thing, most people only scratch the surface. Today, I'll show you some next level features inside Notion that you probably didn't know existed. By the end of this video, Notion might just become your second brain. First things first, just come to this website. There's a website, and if you want to use the app, just simply search the Notion app, you will find it. So I'll just click on Get Notion Free and log in with any of my emails. You will be dedicated to this page. I just simply delete everything, and that's it. That's the so as you have already after coming here, you can just simply click on the here's the title. You'll have to add your video title like okay, right press space for AI and okay, let's space for first we'll see right press space for AI. First, we'll look at the commands like it has plenty of them. As you can see, it doesn't even end. Okay, so let's start from the basics. If you want to add any header, you know, like the big one title, you can add this. If you want to add some to-do list, you can do that. Page call out. There are a ton of features here. You can use this for translate tools. It also has some sub tools which will I so you can as you can see it has pretty much a lot of options like bullet lists, number list, to-do list, toggle lists. There are lots of things to do in here, and if you want to use it for your database works, you can also do that. Here's drum table views. Just click to table, just write table. As you can see now, you can increase it anywhere you want, doesn't matter. Option, whether row or column. We can let's see this page. As you can see, it has generated a new page. Within that page, you can create as much as you want. There is no, I mean, you can create page under page under page under page as much as you need. As you can see, another one. You can create as much page as you want. If you so, let's go to let's head over to the templates. Notion's templates are not static anymore. If you dive into their new AI enhanced templates, you will notice they are active. Say you set up goal like read. As you can see, there are tons of templates here. I mean, they have literally templates for everything like simple to-do list, habit tracker, task list, vocabulary tracker, must food tracker. They has literally a lot of templates, and it's like never ending. Yes, some of them are paid, by the way, some of them are free. And if you are a business owner or you're handling your clients with Notion, you can spend some peanuts for these features. It's literally really worth it. So I'll just simply select the free one. As you can see, the template is ready. Just go to see templates. Right now you can edit whatever you like. Like let's set a goal like read 20 books this year. Yeah, I'm setting up this. So here type your goals like read 20 books this year, and here it shows how and do, and you can literally change anything you want, or even you can add some new groups like books ones. Just create as much as you want. It has a lot of features. Okay, so I'll go to the Notion. Yeah. So the second key point of this Notion AI is the database relations and rollouts. Now, if you're managing projects, start focusing. You need to start using database relations and rollups. Imagine linking a tasks list to a project database. So when you finish all the tasks under a project, the project auto updates to completed. You have so much time, and it reduces human error. It's crazy powerful once you set it up. And if you use it with this AIs, you can literally do anything. I mean, you don't have to even create the database by yourself. You just have to give this a good prompt. Like, as you can see, I'm giving this a simple prompt, and it's generating the AI is generating the table as itself. So let's see how can it generate. As you can see, it has started the calendar from tomorrow to next month. And although I didn't give it any of the content type or niche, I mean, so it has given me one morning skincare routines, behind the scenes photo shoot, 5 time management hacks. I mean, it's pretty good. And to be honest, it also has given me the music tracks I should use, the captions and hashtags. Even if I want to make any changes, I can just simply write here and it will also give me the change the things that I will set. And by the way, if I want to know the best posting time on any social media, it will also generate this. It's actually great, to be honest. So built-in AI, if you don't know, built-in Notion quietly added their own AI directly inside the app. No need to open ChatGPT or Bard. You can brainstorm new ideas, summarize hitting notes, or even craft emails without leaving your workspace. So if you don't know, by the way, if you don't know, Notion quietly added their own AI directly to the system. No need to open ChatGPT or Bard or Claude, whatever you use. You can brainstorm new ideas, summarize meeting notes, or even draft emails without leaving your workspace. And actually understands the context of your workspace, making the outputs much smarter. Like just now, I have told it to create a database for 30 Instagram packs. Now I'll so let's say I've given it a prompt. It a 30-day Instagram Reels content plan. I'm a video editor. Write the scripts with hook, captions, and SEO optimized hashtags and CTS for them. Use storytelling technique to make the audience stop scrolling. As you can see, it has generated. Let's see what it has made. Day one is color grading. Oh, color grading six is the one color grading trick Hollywood editors don't want you to know. The hook is nice, to be honest. The show before and after cinematic color grade reveal that application technique action. Transform your footage into bland cinematic in seconds. Search this tutorial. No. Okay, so it's timeline at day 2. You're editing slow because you're missing this quick showcase of organized timelines with color coding and nested sequences. What's smarter, not harder? This organization tip saved me hours of editing. Nice, it has generated to pretty great. Creative effects do it. Week 1 behind the scenes and technical help. Week 2 creative effects and transitions. As you can see, it has also told me the best posting times on Instagram. Tuesday, it's 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Nice. It's pretty nice. Now adapt posting times based on your audience analytics after the first week. As you can see, you can literally do anything with this AI website. And if you want, just imagine you have created this. You can just simply, so last but not least, this one's underrated. All right. That's just scratching the surface. Notion AI is not just a notes app anymore. It's a whole ecosystem. Whether you're a student, a creator, a business owner, or just someone trying to get their life together, you can build a system that actually works for you. If you found something new today, smash that like button, subscribe for more productivity hacks, and drop a comment if you want me to show you how I set up my personal Notion dashboard. Catch you in the next one. Peace.